Irrespective of the season, the notion of delightful outdoor barbecues always holds allure. It presents an ideal chance to enhance your grilling prowess using a high-quality charcoal grill. Though a charcoal grill may appear less intricate compared to its gas counterpart, it has the potential to impart equally delightful flavors. Charcoal grills typically come at a lower price point than gas grills, making them an excellent option if you're mindful of your budget or just embarking on your grilling journey. Additionally, they are easier to set up. To initiate charcoal grilling, all you require is a lighter, some charcoal, and your preferred ingredients. Before long, you'll relish a meal infused with authentic smoky goodness. We've conducted evaluations on top-tier charcoal grills, spanning from cart-style to kettle-style variants, encompassing those laden with features and others with a more straightforward design. By utilizing chicken, ribs, and steak as our testing subjects, we've determined which ones stand out as the optimal choice for your upcoming outdoor barbecue. Number 6. Char-Griller 1515 Patio Pro. The Char-Griller Patio Pro charcoal grill presents an economical choice that effectively gets the job done, despite encountering some limitations. Sporting a cooking surface of 250 SQ, it accommodates up to 6 burgers, but faces challenges with larger gatherings. The barrel design, coupled with a hinged lid, introduces complexity in accessing and flipping your food, while the lid's restricted opening directs smoke directly towards you when grilling with it ajar. Although the concept of a side door for coal access seems promising, the door tends to overheat and jam, posing difficulties in adjusting the coals for varied cooking techniques. All in all, it may warrant considering a slightly higher investment for a smoother and more gratifying grilling experience. Number 5. Char-Broil TRU-Infrared Kettleman Charcoal Grill. Infrared grills offer notable advantages, including fuel efficiency, uniform heat dispersion, and the capability to attain high temperatures for optimal searing. The Char-Broil TRU-Infrared Kettleman grill excels in these aspects and is competitively priced as well. This grill rapidly heats up, facilitating excellent searing of steaks, chicken legs, and pork chops with minimal flare-ups. Boasting a cooking area of 360 SQ, it ensures consistent heat distribution, while the spacious lid vent can be effortlessly adjusted to regulate the cooking temperature. Features like the adjustable charcoal grate provide versatility in cooking methods, and the precise thermometer integrated into the lid proves to be a useful tool. However, mastering this grill entails a learning curve, particularly in arranging charcoals for prolonged smoking sessions, as adding more mid-cook proves to be challenging. Moreover, the necessity of keeping the bottom vent open may require some acclimatization. We recommend acquainting yourself with the distinctive attributes of this infrared grill before hosting any significant events. Number 4. Royal Gourmet 24-inch Charcoal BBQ Grill. The Royal Gourmet grill showcases versatility, enabling you to distribute burgers and sausages across its expansive grates. An outstanding aspect is the adaptable charcoal pan, which can be lowered to relocate the heat from the food, ideal for gradually smoking a slab of baby back ribs without encountering flare-ups. Be prepared to utilize a substantial amount of briquettes, as the grill demands frequent refueling. Fortunately, a convenient door facilitates effortless charcoal replenishment, while a useful shelf beneath the grill serves for storing additional charcoal. This grill sets itself apart from conventional kettle-style grills with its inclusion of side tables for your grilling necessities and dishes. Additionally, it boasts a lid thermometer for a rudimentary temperature assessment and a warming rack beneficial for maintaining food warmth and crisping buns. A sizable, readily accessible ashtray at the front streamlines cleanup. Number 3. SNS Grill Slow and Sear Original Kettle Grill. This model emerges as the premier option for a charcoal grill for multiple reasons. It's reasonably priced, user-friendly, and yields commendable outcomes for both grilling and smoking. It represents an ideal selection for both novices seeking to refine their grilling aptitude, and seasoned grillers, seeking an efficient, hassle-free solution. Our assessment revealed that the grill upholds a consistent temperature, minimizing the necessity for frequently adjusting the dampers. Manipulating them is uncomplicated, thanks to the innovative rotating vents situated on both the top and bottom, which open and close with a simple left-to-right motion. An intuitive attribute incorporates two X marks indicating closed vents and an O mark designating open vents. Equipped with a robust shelf capable of accommodating up to 20 pounds and a convenient lid cradle for storing the lid when not in use, the grill also features a cooking grate comprising a hinged section for effortless coal management. For individuals necessitating precise temperature monitoring, a built-in thermometer and a dedicated port for a probe thermometer are provided. As a smoker, the grill excels, showcasing a removable coal insert for indirect cooking and adequate space for a water pan. The outcomes? Lustrous, deeply caramelized ribs adorned with sticky BBQ sauce and succulent, moist meat. Cleanup is straightforward, with a manual guiding you through the process, albeit lacking specific instructions for dislodging the ash bucket. We encountered slight difficulty in removing the charcoal grate with remaining coals, ultimately opting to dispose of them into the grill's basin and eliminating the residue through the bottom vent. Overall, this grill presents a fusion of performance, user-friendliness, and considerate features, rendering it an exemplary choice for enthusiasts dedicated to charcoal grilling and smoking. Number 2. Weber Performer Deluxe Charcoal Grill, 22 inches. This grill is ideal for novices, thanks to its automatic propane ignition, negating the necessity for a chimney starter. Assembly might require an additional set of hands, as we observed it to be somewhat cumbersome, but once assembled, the grill proves to be robust and dependable. It comes equipped with 4 wheels that securely lock in place, facilitating easy maneuverability around your outdoor area. Performance-wise, this grill shines, particularly noted by a reviewer for its ability to create exquisite grill marks on steaks due to the Maillard reaction. When utilized as a smoker, it does consume wood rapidly, but vigilant monitoring ensures a consistent and precise temperature. Although this grill commands a premium compared to basic models, the additional investment is warranted by its generous size and convenient preparation space. Novice grillers will especially value features like the propane ignition for user convenience. Cleaning is a breeze, featuring a push-button mechanism for ash disposal into a receptacle below. The grill's simplicity, with fixed cooking grates, enhances its appeal as an uncomplicated yet high-performing option for grilling enthusiasts. Number 1. Weber Original Premium Kettle Grill, 22 inches. The Weber Original Premium Kettle Grill, measuring 22 inches, continues to uphold the esteemed legacy of Weber grills, a testament to nearly 7 decades of excellence. The iconic kettle design has remained largely unaltered, underscoring its enduring triumph and popularity. In our assessments, the Weber Premium stood out for its unrivaled simplicity and temperature regulation. Adjusting the vents yielded precise alterations to the internal heat, a pivotal aspect for mastering charcoal grilling. Our evaluations, featuring hamburgers and chicken, showcase the grill's capability to achieve flawlessly cooked medium-rare burgers and succulent seared chicken, surpassing competing grills that either overcooked or undercooked the meat. This premium variant, available in 3 hues, maintains the classic 22-inch width while introducing several enhancements. Notably, it incorporates Weber's one-touch cleaning system, streamlining cleanup with a spacious ash pan. Additionally, it features a convenient built-in thermometer and a lid hook for added convenience. Based on our experiences, the Weber Original Premium Kettle Grill not only delivers impeccable cooking performance, but also provides valuable enhancements, cementing its status as our premier choice among charcoal grills. And there it is, everyone, our exhaustive review of the finest charcoal grills to spark up your backyard barbecues. From the sturdy and wallet-friendly choices to the top-tier selections that elevate your grilling prowess. Whether you're grilling up burgers for an intimate gathering or slowly smoking ribs for a grand feast, there's a grill here suited for every chef and event. Happy grilling, and always remember, the perfect grill not only enhances the flavor of your dishes, but also transforms cooking into a delightful experience to be shared with loved ones. Don't forget to show your support by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon for more fantastic reviews. Until next time, keep those flames roaring and the smoke billowing.